How about this one right here? 1969 Firebird 400 Pro Touring car. It's beautiful. Not everybody has to have a Camaro. I think this is better looking. This one, it's just set up right. The colors, the stance, look at the scoop to it, the lines, the spoiler, TMI interior, four-wheel disc brakes, billet Rally 2s, 400 motor. I don't know if I told you, air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes at all four wheels. Go to volocars.com. That's where you find a price tag on 200 cars, including this one. Each one has a monthly finance payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car has some tricks up its sleeve, so you're going to want to stick with us and hear all about it. Boy, this paint is like glass. So it's the 400, so it has the dual scooped hood, similar to the GTO, and it is beautiful, straight, square, flush. Everything fits. Everything's outstanding. All looking good. Has these nice little fake louvers right here. Straight, square, flush, all that good stuff. No bubbles, no rust. I don't see any problem areas. Shuts real nice. All nice, clean metal all the way underneath. I like glass. Really is. Spoiler on the back here. Spoiler alert. All this is looking good. Extra glossy, extra straight. No issues all the way to the bottom. Nice, clean lines. Yeah, we get a lot of Camaros through here, and obviously we love them, you love them, but this is nice. This is different. You want to pull into a car show where there's 10 Camaros, you'll be the only guy with this one. And this one in particular, I think really has it going on. Nice gaps, clean, straight. A little dirt splashed up, but now that's gone. Looking good. So the front bumper has the rubber seal. Everything fits real nice. The chrome bezels are really nice. Bumper's been re-chromed. Grills look really good. Whole front end here just fits nice, lines up nice, presents itself real nicely. 400 emblems. Crystal clear windshield, I'm sure, has been replaced. The moldings are 9 out of 10. They're beautiful. They're excellent. The mirrors are new. The fuzzy strips in here are new. Door handles are new. Vinyl top looks brand new. It's in really nice shape. And all the trim all around has probably been replaced. Original glass, typical light scratches. Has the Pontiac bird here for marker lights. As it comes around, you'll see the chrome bumper and the 400 emblem and the Pontiac letters. All that looks really sharp, really beautiful. Remember having to flip the license plate down to put gas in the car? Okay. Oh, the wheels. They're 17-inch Rally 2 wheels. They're billet, so it's a modern version of the original Rally 2. Has the same Pontiac Motor Division center cap. And they are wrapped in some performance tires. They got the size just right, fits the wheel well, real good. Now let's open it up. You're going to love that TMI interior. All right, let's see what we got in here. It looks clean. Under the trunk lid's painted nice. Latch looks like it's new. Weather strip is replaced. Nice, clean carpet. I like that with bound edges. Fits real nice, lays in there real good. All the metal's solid with a nice spatter finish. I like the carpet mat. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Before we walk away, I want to point out the speaker shelf. It's a custom speaker shelf with some 6x9 speakers. Excuse me. Door jambs are painted up nice, weather strips replaced. This has, excuse me again, has the deluxe door panels. That's the molded armrest. They look new. And the window cranks look new. So the dash area is very nice, has the simulated wood grain. I imagine the bezel's new because all the chrome is real shiny. 2,690 something miles since the car's been done. It's a 160 mile an hour speedometer. Has a quartz movement clock. Has an aftermarket tachometer. Dash pad has been replaced. Heater control panel, excuse me, looks really good. Digital radio fits right in there. A couple more gauges for temp and oil pressure. It's all nice and clean. Kick panel speakers too, so it should be sounding pretty nice. Carpets replaced. That's some nice embroidered Firebird floor mats. Nice center console, the original style. And then here's the TMI interiors. Great interiors. Nice sporty seats that hold you in place, very comfortable. And they look really good too. I think they're reclining as well. Same thing in back. A lot of guys just buy the two front seats. They don't match the back seat, but the back has been reupholstered to match the front. There are seat belts for everybody. Side panels, armrests, all that's reupholstered. And then the headliner's been replaced as well. That looks really good. Got shoulder belts, working dome light. Visors look like they're good original. The mirror looks real nice. It has the deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column, right? Yeah, tilt column. It's a really nice, comfortable, functional interior. If you haven't been to our website, check that out too. We have the cars for sale, and we also have one of the coolest museums in the country. Check that out. So this is a 400 engine, been rebuilt. We have the receipt. That's an Edelbrock intake on top and Edelbrock aluminum heads. Actually, I didn't even notice that, but they painted it all blue, so it looks stock. Edelbrock carburetor with electric choke. Oh, Edelbrock breather, Edelbrock air cleaner. And MSD ignition hiding back there. The engine bay all nice and clean. Aftermarket air conditioning and heat system. That keeps the passengers cool. This radiator keeps the motor cool. Aluminum radiator with 2 electric fans. Has a new alternator. We got power steering. We got power brakes. Pretty nice, clean engine compartment with everything you need and more. Michael's going to take you for a ride, see how she does. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. I'm really liking this Firebird we got to drive here today. This thing's got a 400 under the hood, turbo 400 automatic transmission. It's also got air conditioning, and it has power steering and 4-wheel power disc brakes. So very nicely upgraded. I know it has some suspension upgrades like rear sway bar, things like that as well. I actually really encourage you to check out the pictures of the undercarriage on this one. It is a full frame-off restoration and it is mighty impressive. Body-colored floorboards, it's a gorgeous exhaust with an X pipe, and well, the list just goes on and on. Really, please go on our website and check those pictures out. But I've had a great experience with this car so far. It started, well, I didn't even pump the gas, and it started right in our showroom. Same thing ever since then. I started a couple other times. So it seems to be like a really dialed-in car. And that's kind of consistent with the maintenance that we went ahead and performed on it well. So after we purchased it, we did a full inspection, and we only spent about $1,000 just tying up some loose ends. So it was a really nice, pretty well dialed in car when we purchased it. And yeah, really nice. Give you a little punch there. So we're on our test track because there's salt on the roads, and we don't salt this private test track here. If you want to test drive it yourself, contact our sales department and check out all the details on volocars.com.
I don't think I even mentioned this is a body off frame restoration. They dropped everything out from underneath the car, all the components, the subframe, the rear end. The whole underbody is restored and painted the same gloss Hugger orange. I don't even think I mentioned the name of the color. This is a Hugger orange. I think most people recognize that. When they put it back together, entire suspension completely rebuilt. It's got gas shocks, added rear sway bar, has frame connectors front to back to keep it from twisting, just makes it handle better. So all of that steering and suspension redone with upgrades. You know what else they upgraded are the brakes. It has disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. That whole system was redone. E-brake is hooked up. Fuel system was also completely replaced, including the tank. Exhaust. Nice fat exhaust, and it's all stainless steel. It has the X pipe in the middle. It has what they call the transverse muffler. That's how they were. The muffler goes sideways, and then the 2 tailpipes come out, and it's all stainless steel. I think the muffler is even polished. You look up at the motor, nice, clean Pontiac blue oil pan. It has a high torque starter, has a turbo 400 automatic transmission, and just a great car. Isn't this a good looking car? It just stands out somehow. Just the whole package, the whole combination, they got it just right. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help get your Firebird delivered home, and they'll help you with the financing if you need it. Thanks for watching.